Hi, Devin. I'm not entirely sure what your specific question is for this problem, but maybe if I talk through it, it'll give you some more understanding, and then you can hit me back with whatever questions you still have after that. So we have here determine whether the results appear to have statistical significance and also determine whether the results have practical significance. So it says in a study of a birth sex selection method used to increase the likelihood of a baby being born female, we have 2,097 users for our total. Of the method yields to 1,027 males and 1,070 females. There is about an 18% chance of that happening if the method has no effect. That means, like, if the people didn't use this treatment, there's an 18% chance that you could still get the results that we're getting here. So because of this 18% chance of getting as many babies born from female if the method has no effect, we say that there's not statistical significance. So not many couples would likely use a procedure that raises the likelihood of a baby being born female from the approximate 50% to the expected rate of 51%. Now, to get this expected rate of 51%, they took the total 2,097 and they used that as the divisor, and the numerator was 1,070. And when you do that, you should get 0.51 approximately, which rounds to 51%. So by chance, without any sort of treatment, we would expect like a 50-50 chance for boy or girl if someone was pregnant. We'd expect the baby to be boy or girl with a 50% chance of each, roughly. So if this treatment is only raising it to 51%, we can say, practically speaking, this could have happened by chance. So there's no practical significance. Now, when we're looking at the statistical significance, it says in the question that there's an 18% chance of getting this result of 51% exactly female in the study without using a treatment. Now, we would say that there was statistical significance if this number instead of 18% had been like 5% or less, because if something has like less than 5% chance of happening, we would say that its occurrence would be statistically significant. 5% is like kind of, it's not a strict number, but it's a magical number that we'll be using throughout the course when we're talking about significance, as far as in our later chapters, significantly low or significantly high. So if you get a number like 18%, or if there was like a 30% chance of this happening without a treatment being used, then we would say that there's not statistical significance. But if we had a really small percentage, like 5 or 3%, then we would say that it is statistically significant. Now, I don't know if this explanation's helping you out too much more. I hope, because I'm not entirely sure what your specific question was. But now that you've heard my explanation, you can go ahead, listen to it, try to understand it, and then you can ask me another question and I'll try to help you further along. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on Wednesday.